Want to learn how to use the battle ropes at Planet Fitness? In this video, I'm going to explain what these ropes are and demonstrate 3 key exercises you can perform. Let's get started. Battle ropes are a training tool that can help you build strength, power, and endurance. The rapid and powerful nature of using these ropes enables you to perform a challenging cardio workout that burns a lot of calories fast. In addition, these ropes help you improve your grip strength and coordination. When used, you'll engage multiple muscle groups at the same time, including your arms, shoulders, back, core, and legs. You'll find these ropes in the Planet Fitness 360 area, usually wrapped around a low bar, and you can learn more about the PF360 area in the link in the top right. One of the most common ways to incorporate battle ropes into your workout is in a circuit. So for example, doing 45 seconds of one exercise, such as squats, and following it up with 45 seconds of a battle rope exercise, and repeating that for 3 rounds. Some common mistakes people make when using these ropes are moving the shoulders too much, not being stable, and not getting into an athletic stance, which I'll explain in the exercise demos. To start using the battle ropes, straighten them out untangled in front of you. Alternating waves. Alternating waves involves moving your arms up and down in an alternating fashion. To perform this exercise, first hold on to the ropes. Then get into an athletic stance in which you'll stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and core engaged. Keeping your shoulders controlled, move your arms up and down, alternating after each wave. You can make this exercise easier by creating waves at a slower rate and increase the intensity by moving faster. Double waves. For double waves, you're moving both arms up and down simultaneously. Using both arms adds a little more power to the waves. Slams. Slams significantly increase the intensity as you aim to slam the ropes down to the ground as hard as you can. This helps you build upper body strength and engages the shoulders, triceps, and upper back. To perform this movement, get into an athletic stance. Raise the ropes overhead as you extend from the squat and raise your heels off the ground. Then slam the ropes hard down to the ground as you return to the starting position. Repeat the movement. Using the battle ropes can get a little loud. However, I didn't activate the lunk alarm performing these movements, but if it happens, let me know in the comments. Once you're done using the battle ropes, be sure to wrap it up nicely. Are you going to give these a try? Let me know in the comments. And check out my other Planet Fitness videos in the top left. Thanks for watching.